let's go to Bitnest website. So when you come here, the website is bitnest.me. We also have bitnest.finance. We have a different website that you can use, and they are on this site. I'm not connected. Once I connect this, then I can see all the websites, but I cannot connect my, okay, look at it here, domain, sorry. Once you click on domain, you see all the websites. You can see bitnest.me, bitnest.finance, Bitnest. And the reason why we have all these websites so that in case one is too slow, you can always jump to the other one to get access to this site. If I click on this one now, it will bring me back to this same page. You can see it's bringing me back to the same page. They will all bring you back to this page. So that's why we have them. So in case one is slow, you can easily just click on any one to bring you straight here. So if you come here, you click on this one, the logo here. So you can see numbers of participants. We have 2.1 million members in this business. As I yesterday, the number was less than this. And you can see there's increase. And this means that this business is doing something right. And that's why people keep joining every single day. Okay, so we have 2.1 million. And over here, you see participant income. What this means is that this business has paid out over $800 million to its investors. Over $800 million. This is not small money, my people. To its investors. So when you come to liquidity, what does it mean? It means this is the amount of money that investors have put into the system, like me and other people that are part of this business. We put in this amount of money into the system and we are getting our returns from it. Do you understand? So it has paid this much within the space of how many years? 2 years. So over here, when you come to route map, you see the Bitnest idea was born August 2022. Bitnest lease, March 2023. Bitnestloop, March 2023. I will explain all these things to you as we go, okay? Bitnest savings, July 2023. Bitnest community established September 2023. Users have exceeded 800,000 members in December 2023. Bitnest Ecological Communication Corporation, January 2023. Coin was born April 2024. Now, Coin is like the cryptocurrency that Bitnest has created, just like the way we have Bitcoin. And over time, it will rise in value. And members, active members or investors also have opportunity to own some of this Coin and keep. As it rises in value, you can either sell it or keep keeping it on for it to rise more in value. Do you understand? So, Bitnest bet of Bitnest saving was May 2024. Coin circulation in future. So this coin circulation will start next year by God's grace. And look at all the future plans, project that this company has for members. You understand? Which they will definitely bring to fruition. So I've established this fact already. Everything I said here, I've proven them. So let's continue. So what does Bitnest do and how does it make its money? Because this was one of the major questions I also asked people when I started, people that introduced me into this business. And I'm sure this is also something you are interested in knowing. So Bitnest sustains its ecosystem through multiple revenue streams. The first one is transactions and interest fees from asset borrowers. You see, like I said, this business runs like a bank where you can borrow money, you can save money, you can invest money. Do you understand? So when people borrow money, when they are returning these funds, they pay interest. And they also pay fees too. So this is one way Bitnest makes money. The second way they make money is through liquidity profit from PancakeSwap and other decentralized exchanges. Now, PancakeSwap is one of the biggest and one of the most renowned crypto exchange sites on the blockchain system. This is like #1 exchange site for big crypto enthusiasts. Do you understand? So it is well known, it is recognized, it is trusted. So all the money that members invest goes into the PancakeSwap and it is locked there. Now, this PancakeSwap also generates interest from the money that is kept there. And as a matter of fact, the interest that it generates is where members are paid this money that they receive. It's from this interest, aside the money that comes from these ones too. So money keeps coming into the system every day, and I'm going to prove this one to you shortly. I'll prove it to you. You will see with your Kurokuro eyes, okay? So we also have a rewarding referral structure that fuels long-term growth and engagement. Okay, so let's continue.
If you're ready to explore a powerful opportunity for automated earnings, start today. Use the link in the comments to access my step-by-step guide that will walk you through everything, from creating your wallet to activating your first loop safely and correctly. This is a powerful opportunity for anyone who wants to take their first steps toward financial independence